Ever wonder why your knuckles pop when you crack them? That sound comes from tiny air bubbles inside the joint fluid collapsing when you stretch the joint. When you stretch your knuckles, you're increasing the space in the joint, which causes pressure to drop and bubbles to form. After the POP, the joint returns to normal, but it takes time for the fluid to rebalance, which is why you can't crack it again right away. Good news. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis or long-term damage according to studies. Despite what you might have heard, cracking your knuckles isn't bad for your joints. For most of us, cracking our knuckles feels oddly satisfying. It's the feeling of relieving built-up tension.